Coronavirus, or known as COVID 19, a pandemic disease which made the whole world stand still. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss what would happen if everyone on the earth gets infected by COVID 19. As we all know, the COVID 19 emerged in Wuhan, China in December 2019, which was spread only in the Hubei province of China and resulted in 4,634 casualties. It spreads mainly by droplets produced as a result of coughing or sneezing of a COVID 19 infected person. Therefore, touching any such infected surface and then touching one's mouth, nose, or eyes can transmit the disease. The incubation period of COVID 19 is 1 to 14 days. There are several ways to avoid getting COVID 19 or spreading it. First is by practice social distancing. By avoiding social gatherings, maintaining a safe distance, staying at home, avoiding physical contact, and avoiding touching surfaces. And the second one is practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently using soap and water. Do not spit in public places. Do not touch your eyes, nose, and mouth with unclean hands, and always wear a mask while going out. COVID 19 is transmitted much faster in humans than its closest relation, SARS, which caused outbreaks in a few countries in 2003. Due to its fast transmission, it has infected almost every country on the globe. Till now, the coronavirus infected cases are approximately 9 million, as the correct figures are shown on the screen, out of which 55.23% have been recovered and active cases are around 5 million, out of which 98% are in the mild condition and 2% are in serious and critical condition. About 80% of the confirmed cases might recover from the disease without any serious complications. However, 1 out of 6 people who get COVID 19 can become seriously ill and develop difficulty in breathing. In more severe cases, the infection can cause severe pneumonia and complications which can be treated only at higher level facilities. In a few cases, it may even cause death. These numbers are under the current situation of the spread, but it will be different if everyone gets infected by it. Hospitals will also be overloaded by the COVID 19 patients plus regular patients affected by other dangerous diseases. The result will be, first, some new hospitals will be set up from the scratch to handle the patients, which might not be enough as the number will be way big, which will force the government to allow the hospitals to admit only those patients who can be saved, which we earlier saw in Italy. And it will result in an increase in the number of deaths by a large number. The mortality rate will drastically rise and many of the deaths will be off the chart, as many of the countries like China, Iran, Pakistan, and many others manipulate their figures. Second, one of the biggest unseen problems is dealing with the corpses, as there will be a large number of deaths. In some countries, the corpse is given to the family, and in other countries, it is to be handled by the government itself. Third, lockdown will be removed as there is no one left to get infected, but social distancing and masks will be made compulsory so that the recovered patients could prevent themselves from again getting infected. There isn't concrete evidence that people who got sick once with COVID 19 can't get sick again. Well, China and Japan reported some cases. Research papers too agree that COVID 19 builds immunity against novel coronavirus. It is no guarantee that reinfection would not happen. But till the time scientists come up with vaccine, stay home, stay safe, and subscribe to the channel.